Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another meal plan and grocery haul video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kristi. I'm currently following the WW Blue program, but I do provide the points for all three programs on my channel, and I will also link you to any recipes, so that way if you're not following WW, you can get the nutritional facts that you need there. But with that being said, you don't even need to be following any type of weight loss program to get tips and ideas about meal planning and meal prepping. So the meal plan for this week, for breakfast prep this week, I'm going to do breakfast burritos. Those are super easy to make. I haven't made those in a while, so I'm going to do those. 3 points on blue and purple and 7 points on green. And then every morning I have 2 cups of coffee for 2 points. I use the generic version of Splenda, and I use Dunkin' Donuts coffee, and then I use the Coffee Mate sugar-free French vanilla creamer. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday will be the breakfast burritos, and if you're new to my channel, I meal prep for my husband and I usually do the same thing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday for breakfast and lunch. It just works out for us, but you certainly don't have to do the same things. You can skip things around. Sometimes I do have to bump things. For example, sometimes I may not have breakfast or may not have lunch, and it'll get bumped to another day. So that's going to be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday for the burritos. Thursday, I will do Fiber One cereal for 2 points, unsweetened almond milk for 0, and I usually cut up a banana or something in there. And then Friday, I will actually be working from home Friday, so I will be here and I'll make one of my BECHAFFLEs, which is basically a bacon, egg, and cheese waffle. Not really waffle, but it's bacon, egg, and cheese on the Dash Mini waffle maker. And that is 1 point on blue and purple and 3 points on green. For lunch prep this week, look at this. Grilled cheese pizza sandwich. Tell me that does not sound so good. I found a recipe online, and actually I can't even remember where it was, and it kind of got me looking at different recipes. There's a lot of recipes out there for different variations of grilled cheese pizza sandwich. So I came up with 5 points for those, and that's going to be 5 points on all programs. Because it's turkey, pepperoni, bread. Yeah, that's going to be 5 points on all programs. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday for those. And then Thursday I'm going to do probably an egg salad wrap with green olives. Basically just make an egg salad and put it on an Olay Extreme Wellness wrap with green olives. And then for lunch on Friday, I'm actually going to be having leftover from my sub the night before. So I'll be having that for dinner the night before. For dinners this week, I didn't finish writing Monday. Hang on a minute here. Actually, I didn't write the points. I think that's why. Okay. The bourbon glazed salmon is 1 point for blue, 1 point for purple, and 5 points for green. I just looked it up. All right. And then I'm going to do the 90-second ready rice. I'll have just a half a cup of that for 3 points, and then broccoli for 0. And Tuesday night we're going to do garlic herb pork tenderloin with potatoes, carrots, and gravy. That is one of our favorites. That is higher in points. It's 9 points on blue, 6 points on purple, and 12 points on green. But you can definitely lower the points on blue and green by using less potatoes. We use a lot of potatoes in ours, so you could definitely lower the amount of potatoes and have less points. Wednesday night I'm going to be doing Philly style Hasselback chicken. That is 4 points on blue and purple and 7 points on green. And I think I'm just going to do that with peppers, squash, and Brussels sprouts. Just kind of like roast them all in a pan. And I don't think I'm going to do a potato or rice or anything, because I had potatoes the night before and rice the night before that. And I'm going to be having the bread with lunch. So I think I won't do potatoes that night. That's the night before weigh-in. So I do try and eat just a little bit lighter the night before weigh-in. And then, like I said, Thursday night, we're going to be doing Publix subs. Haven't had subs in a while. I used to do those like maybe once a week, once every 2 weeks, but we haven't had subs in, I would say, probably a good 3 weeks now. So since that is going to be dinner, I will get a whole one and have it for lunch the next day. I estimate that to be about 12 points. It just depends on what I get put on the sub, and I usually don't know until the day I have it. Just depends what I feel like. So then, since we're having the sub for lunch, that's going to be a higher point lunch than we usually do, because I'll have the half a sub. So Friday night, I'll probably just do a grilled chicken salad. I'll just make like an easy romaine salad and have my husband grill up some chicken on the grill. And for the salad dressing, I use the light Italian Olive Garden salad dressing. So I'm estimating that'll be about 3 points. And then I don't usually plan ahead for the weekends, but we haven't had a steak in a while, so that's why I wrote down steak for Saturday. And I had barbecue chicken on Sunday, but since we're going to have chicken on Friday, we're probably going to change that. I think maybe I'll do something pasta Sunday. Maybe, I think I have a recipe for chicken fettuccine Alfredo on my website, so maybe I'll do that one. And for snacks this week, I'm planning on my normal fruit for 0, pudding for 2, and popcorn for 3. So that's what I've got planned. And if you want to download a free copy of this meal plan, I have this meal plan. I also have one that is for Sunday to Saturday. I also have one that's just Monday through Friday. That's just a little bit of a different print than this. I also have a grocery list on there and a to-do list. So you're more than welcome to go to my website and download those and print them out. Those are free. In the description box, I'll put a link to the page that they're on my website. So that's it for the week. So now I'm going to show you my grocery haul. I'm going to be sharing with you a very small grocery haul. I did Walmart grocery pickup and also a very small haul from Publix. So let me start down here with the Walmart items. I'll show you what I got from there. I got a lot of 0 point foods at the end here. I got some carrots, some Roma tomatoes, some asparagus, a zucchini, some broccoli, some sweet peppers, a head of iceberg lettuce, and some baby cucumbers. And that is it for the 0 point. My husband needed some more Chex Mix, so he got that. And those are 4 points for a half a cup. I got some bacon. I'm not sure, I haven't decided on the breakfast if I'm going to be using this kind of bacon or Canadian bacon. So I went ahead and got both. This is 1 point for one point for 1 slice, or 2 points for 3 slices. And then I got some eggs. Those are 0 on blue and purple, and 2 points for each egg on green. I got some Diet Coke. I actually got 2 24 packs of Diet Coke. I also got a 32 pack of water. That's already out in the garage. And then some Canadian bacon. This you can have 4 slices for 1 point. Got some more of my husband's cheese, which I didn't think we needed any, but I got some anyways because I wasn't sure how low we were getting. That's 4 points for 1 ounce. I got some of the Extreme Wellness High Fiber wraps. These are 1 point per wrap. And I think that not all of the Extreme Wellness wraps scan out at 1 point, so double check yours. I think the different brands are different points, but this high fiber kind is 1. Oh, I almost forgot about the pepperoni. And then I got some turkey pepperoni, got a couple things of those. And with the turkey pepperoni, again, that's one of those ones that comes up at 17 slices is 2 points. But if you toggle it, you can actually have 25 slices for 2 points, or you can have 15 slices for 1. And then I got some of the Nature's Own Life 100% whole wheat. This is the sugar-free kind. This kind is a true 1 point for 1 slice. It's 1 point for 1 slice and 2 points for 2 slices. And that is it from Walmart. And Walmart was $69. And then we move on to just a little haul from Publix. Publix, I like their meats, and they had some meats on sale this week, so that's why I went there. The salmon that they have, it is more expensive to buy it this way, but this is the select cuts. They're already portioned into 5.25 ounce pieces, and they're already skinned. So these were $4.99 a pound. So I got 3 of those. I usually make a portion of 3 salmon. I've mentioned before on salmon night, my dogs get salmon. And so blue and purple, those are 0. If you're on green, it is 6 points for 4 ounces because this is the farmed kind. I then got some top sirloin fillets. These are our favorite kind of steaks, and these are on sale right now. If you like the top sirloin steak, just the regular steak, those are on sale for $3.99 a pound right now. So go grab you some of those. But we really like these ones. And these are 4 ounces. For 4 ounces is 3 points. I also got some Boar's Head Oven Gold turkey breast. This is 0 points on blue and purple, and 1 point for, you can have 5 ounces for 1 point on green. So if you bump this down to 1 3/4 ounces on green, then you can, it's 0 points. So when you scan this on green, it pops up and it says, oh, here, 1 point for 2 ounces. But bump it down to just 1 3/4 ounces and it becomes 0. And then they had raspberries on sale, so I got some raspberries and then some more of the 2% milk fat cottage cheese. These are 2 points per cup, and we really like these because I've mentioned before, they don't get as runny as like the big containers do. And the total that I spent at Publix was $56. So that is it for my little tiny haul this week. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Put any comments down below. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. I'm Kristi, and I'm Planning Us Healthy.